Want to know how to make money in 2024 selling digital products? Welcome to the Digital Products Wave. Hello guys, welcome back to yet another edition of How to Make Money Online. Imagine a vast ocean, its surface rippled by countless waves. Each wave represents a different opportunity in the business world. But today, we're focusing on one particularly noteworthy wave, the digital products wave. Digital products are not a new phenomenon. We've been buying and selling ebooks, online courses, music files, software, and more for years now. But the potential of this market has exploded recently. Why? Well, there are a few reasons. First, our world has become increasingly digital. The pandemic pushed us further into the digital realm, and even as we begin to emerge from it, our reliance on digital products remains. Second, the barriers to entry in this market are lower than ever. Anyone with a good idea and a computer can create a digital product, but here's the kicker. The demand for digital products is soaring. People are hungry for knowledge, for entertainment, for tools that can make their lives easier or more fulfilling, and they're willing to pay for it. That's where you come in. By understanding the digital product market and learning how to navigate it, you can tap into this lucrative wave. You can create products that people need or want, and you can make money doing it. Of course, it's not as easy as snapping your fingers and watching the money roll in. It requires effort, creativity, and a willingness to learn. But the potential rewards are immense. Now you might be wondering, where do I start? Let's dive into that. So you're ready to ride the digital wave? But what's your surfboard? What's your digital product? First things first, let's understand what a digital product is. It's any product that exists in a digital format and offers value to the consumer. This could be an ebook, a course, an app, a piece of software, a podcast, or even a design template. The options are virtually limitless. Now, before you dive headfirst into the digital product pool, there's a crucial step you need to take. You need to identify your digital product. It may sound simple, but this step requires a fair bit of introspection and research. You see, the digital product you choose should ideally align with three things: your skills, your passion, and market demand. Let's break that down. Firstly, your skills. What are you good at? Are you an ace coder, a brilliant writer, a skilled designer, a charismatic speaker? Your skills act as the foundation for your digital product. Next, your passion. What do you love doing? What could you spend hours on end doing without feeling drained? Your passion is the fuel that will keep you going when the going gets tough. Finally, market demand. It's great to have a digital product that you're skilled at creating and passionate about, but if there's no demand for it, it's not going to bring you the financial success you're aiming for. So do your research. Find out what people are willing to pay for. Look for gaps in the market that your product could fill. By aligning your skills, passion, and market demand, you're positioning yourself for success in the digital product space. You're choosing a product that not only you'll enjoy creating, but also one that has the potential to bring you financial rewards. Remember, the right product is half the battle won. Now let's move on to creating your digital product. You've identified your product. Now, it's time to create it. So, how do you go about creating a digital product? It's not as daunting as it may seem. It all starts with a brilliant idea and a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Once you've got that, you're already halfway there. The first step in the process is to develop your idea. This could mean writing an ebook, creating a course, designing a piece of software, or anything in between. The key here is to create something that is not only unique but also of high quality. Remember, your product is a reflection of you. If it's shoddy, people will assume the same about you. Next, think about how you can add value to your product. This could be through additional features, bonuses, or resources that you provide alongside your main product. The more value you can provide, the more people will be willing to pay for your product. Now let's talk about uniqueness. It's important to create a product that stands out from the crowd. This doesn't necessarily mean you have to reinvent the wheel. It could simply mean taking a fresh approach to a common problem or presenting information in a new and exciting way. Once you've developed your product, it's time to refine it. This involves testing it, getting feedback, and making improvements. It's crucial to ensure that your product is the best it can be before you launch it to the public. Creating a digital product is not a one-off process. It requires continuous improvement and updating to stay relevant and valuable. So don't be complacent once your product is out in the market. Always be on the lookout for ways to make it better. And finally, remember to enjoy the process. Creating a digital product can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. It allows you to share your knowledge and expertise with the world and make a positive impact on people's lives. Once you've created your product, it's time to sell it. Let's talk about that next. Your product is ready. Now where do you sell it? You might be wondering. Well, the answer is your very own online store. But how do you go about setting it up? Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to choose the right platform. Think of this as your virtual real estate. There are a plethora of options out there, from fully hosted solutions like Shopify and BigCommerce to self-hosted platforms like WooCommerce. Each one has its own pros and cons, so it's crucial to do your homework. Consider your technical skills, your budget, and the specific requirements of your digital product. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to set up payment methods. This is how you'll receive money from your customers. Most platforms offer integrations with a variety of payment gateways. You'll want to offer multiple options. Credit and debit cards, PayPal, and digital wallets like Apple Pay are pretty standard these days. Remember, the easier it is for customers to pay, the more likely they are to purchase. Now let's talk about your product descriptions. This is where you get to shine a spotlight on your digital product. You'll want to highlight its features, benefits, and why it's a must-have. Be as detailed as possible. Explain what problems your product solves, how it works, and why it's better than the competition. Use clear, concise language and don't be afraid to show some personality. And don't forget about visuals. A picture is worth 1,000 words, as they say. Include high-quality images or screenshots of your product where applicable. If you're selling a digital course, for instance, screenshots of the course content can be very effective. Alright, you've chosen a platform, set up payment methods, and crafted compelling product descriptions. You're now the proud owner of an online store. But having a store is just one piece of the puzzle. Your store is ready, but how do you get people to visit it? Let's discuss marketing next. You've got a great product and a wonderful store, but how do you get it in front of your target audience? Well, the answer lies in one word: marketing. You see, creating an amazing digital product and setting up your online store is only half the battle. The other half is letting the world know about it. And this is where the magic of marketing comes into play. Marketing your digital product is not just about shouting from the rooftops about how great your product is. It's more about reaching the right people at the right time with the right message. And in the digital age, there are fantastic tools to help you do just that. Let's start with social media marketing. It's no secret that we're living in the age of social media. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn have billions of users from all corners of the globe. And guess what? Your potential customers are among those billions. Use these platforms to share engaging content, interact with your audience, and promote your digital product. Next, we have email marketing. Despite the rise of social media, email remains one of the most effective marketing channels. Building an email list and sending out regular newsletters can help you maintain a direct line of communication with your audience. It's a great way to keep them updated about your product, share valuable content, and nurture a loyal customer base. Lastly, let's talk about content marketing. This is all about creating and sharing valuable content that resonates with your audience. This could be blog posts, ebooks, videos, podcasts, infographics, you name it. The key is to provide value first and subtly promote your product within that value. This strategy helps you build trust with your audience and positions you as an authority in your field. So, there you have it. Social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing. 3 powerful tools to help you market your digital product. Each tool has its own strengths, and they work best when used together in a coordinated marketing strategy. Marketing is key to selling your digital product, but remember, it's a continuous process. So keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep pushing your marketing game to the next level. You're selling your digital product and making money. What's next? Now that you've dipped your toes into the world of digital products, it's time to think about scaling. Scaling is about increasing your reach, broadening your impact, and, of course, boosting your profits. Let's start with diversifying your product range. If you've found success with one digital product, consider creating more. These could be variations on your original product, or entirely new products that cater to the same target audience. Think about your successful ebook on plant care. Could you create an online course? Or perhaps a downloadable planner for tracking plant growth and care? Diversifying not only increases your income streams, but also gives your audience more ways to engage with your brand. No one knows your product better than your customers. That's why leveraging customer feedback is crucial when scaling your business. Listen to what your customers are saying. What do they love? What could be improved? Their insights can guide you in refining your existing products and in creating new ones that hit the mark. Remember, every piece of feedback is a golden nugget of insight that can propel your business to new heights. Investing in marketing is another key aspect of scaling your digital product business. You've already done the hard work of creating and launching your product. Now it's time to get it in front of as many eyes as possible. This could mean investing in social media advertising, email marketing, SEO, or collaborations with influencers in your niche. The more people who know about your product, the more potential customers you have. Scaling your digital product business isn't just about making more money, it's about expanding your reach, impacting more lives, and truly maximizing the potential of your digital product. So take the plunge, diversify your product range, leverage customer feedback, invest in marketing, and watch your digital product business soar. Scaling is the key to making more money with your digital product business. And remember, the sky's the limit. Like any business, selling digital products comes with its own set of challenges. But don't worry, we've got you covered. One of the most common challenges is dealing with competition. The digital marketplace is a bustling hub of innovation, with countless individuals and companies vying for a piece of the pie. The key to standing out? It's simple. Be unique and offer value. Identify what makes your product different and highlight it. If you're selling an ebook on gardening, for instance, maybe it's your years of experience, your unique approach, or your easy-to-follow instructions. Whatever it is, make sure it's at the forefront of your marketing strategy. Next, let's tackle product quality. In the digital world, quality is king. A subpar product might make a few quick sales, but in the long run, it's a recipe for disaster. Ensure your product is top-notch by investing time and resources into its creation. Test it, refine it, polish it until it shines. And remember, quality extends beyond the product itself. It also applies to customer service and after-sales support. Finally, staying updated with market trends is crucial. The digital marketplace is dynamic and ever-changing. One day, ebooks are all the rage. The next, it's all about online courses or digital art. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to keep your finger on the pulse of the industry. Subscribe to relevant blogs, join online communities, attend webinars, absorb as much information as you can, and adapt your strategies accordingly. And above all, be persistent. There will be roadblocks, there will be setbacks. There might be days where you question whether it's all worth it. But remember, every successful entrepreneur has faced their share of challenges. It's not about avoiding them, but learning how to navigate them. Challenges are part of the journey, but with the right approach, you can overcome them. And remember, in the world of digital products, the sky's the limit. So, buckle up and enjoy the ride. Let's take a quick recap of what we've discussed today. We've surfed across the digital products wave, understanding its potential and how it can revolutionize the way we earn money in 2024. We started our journey by identifying the digital product. This is the foundation of your online business. Remember, it's not just about selling something online, it's about providing value to your customers. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or a piece of software, your product should be something that people need and are willing to pay for. Next, we dove into the process of creating your digital product. This stage is all about bringing your idea to life. It's about putting in the work, the creativity, and the passion to create something that your customers will love. Don't forget, quality is king when it comes to digital products. Setting up your online store was our next step. This is where you'll sell your digital product. It's your digital storefront, and it should be easy to navigate, visually appealing, and most importantly, secure. This is where your customers will come to buy your product, so make it a place they'll want to visit again and again. Marketing your digital product is the key to getting it in front of your target audience. Use social media, email marketing, content marketing, and other strategies to reach your potential customers. Remember, marketing is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. Scaling your digital product business was our penultimate discussion. Once your business is up and running, it's time to think about growth. This could mean expanding your product line, reaching new markets, or even starting a new business. Finally, we discussed the challenges you might face and how to overcome them. Running an online business is not without its hurdles, but with determination, creativity, and a little bit of luck, you can overcome them and achieve success. Remember, the digital products wave is here. It's time to ride it and make money in 2024. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more of this content. Cheers.